2020 and 2021 up to now have been crazy years, not only for the world, but for the YouTube creators as well. You think to yourself, should I keep making videos? Definitely yes. Stay tuned because there are a bunch of exciting features coming to YouTube soon. Let's dive in and learn which new features, rules, and trends you should be aware of if you have a YouTube channel or if you want to create one. Hey everyone, this is Beta. Welcome to Dynamite TV. Today I'm going to share with you the biggest changes on YouTube in 2021. Yeah. To earn money on YouTube, you needed to apply for and be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. This meant that certain requirements should also be met. To qualify for monetization, your channel had to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the last year and at least 1,000 subscribers. Wow. This policy went into effect at the beginning of 2018 and was another way for YouTube to prioritize watch time. Watch time is a total number of hours users have spent watching your channel's videos. Since YouTube ultimately wants to keep users on a platform for as long as possible, watch time has become more and more valuable to creators. However, YouTube is changing the terms of services for 2022, meaning that soon creators can monetize channels outside the YouTube Partner Program. A new monetization process is already available in the US. The rest of the world will get access in 2022. Essentially, YouTube is gonna place ads on videos of YouTubers that are not their partner program. What's the catch? The revenue of these videos will entirely go to YouTube and will not be shared with the creator. A lot of creators in YPP are expecting CPMs to drop, even though YouTube said that this is very unlikely to happen. We know that unlikely is, of course, not impossible. Chapters introduced in 2019 break up your YouTube video into sections, each with an individual preview. These chapters can help viewers by giving more information and context and by allowing them to rewatch different parts of the video. Video chapters are automatically generated based on timestamps you enter in the video description and will show in a video progress bar below your video. One of the most exciting things that has introduced in 2021 is that chapters are shown on Google when a video is recommended. Users can navigate through video parts directly there and skip to the part interested. There are also some experiments and A/B testing happening, for example, automatically placing chapters in videos so the creator does not need to do it manually. Thank you very much. Another thing that is currently being worked on is timestamp usability. The most common reason why chapters don't work, creators don't insert them correctly. Yeah. Following Instagram's release of Reels, YouTube has recently launched a new short-form video creator called YouTube Shorts. Shorts are short videos, 15 seconds or less, that can be created on mobile phones and uploaded directly on YouTube. Shorts is a new short film video experience for creators and artists who want to shoot short, catchy videos using nothing but their mobile phones, YouTube official blog said. YouTube Short is now being compared to the leading short-form video app TikTok. However, Shorts have a clear advantage. 2 billion users, which are more than both TikTok and Instagram combined. Moreover, there's a possibility to monetize the video creation process on YouTube, but you don't have it on TikTok. The monetization feature is still missing in TikTok and Instagram Reels, which might attract more creators to Shorts. at the time when YouTube was still a blue ocean and the number of creators was relatively very small. It was easy to find and choose the content you like. However, this has changed over the years. A massive amount of videos and creators made it hard on one side for new channels to get discovered and on the other side for viewers to discover new content. As a reaction to this growing problem, YouTube tries to filter and recommend videos more and more algorithmically. Most viewers don't watch in their subscription feed. That's why YouTube is thinking about sorting the subscription feed to make it easier to navigate. What does this mean for creators? More focus on click-through rates and view durations, less focus on subscribers. Good news for small channels. Big channels with bad videos get way less attention, and small channels with great videos are promoted to the algorithm. Number 5. You might already seen the video categories on the homepage. YouTube breaks down different topics and types of videos that you watch regularly. For example, gaming, photography, or piano, but also live, recently uploaded, or good for listening. Currently, this feature is available only in the English version. Hopefully, the video category feature will be rolling out to more languages next year, as this is a current focus on YouTube. This is good news for non-English speakers. Polls. YouTube tries to not only use quantitative analytics data to improve UX, but also qualitative one. How? By asking, did you enjoy the video? After a viewer watched the video, what does this mean for creators? The same thing as always. Make good videos that people enjoy watching. Reporting bad ads. This is a feature that was rolled out by YouTube on mobile only. The ability to report bad ads is another way to give the viewers more control over their experience. Mobile creator facts. More people watch YouTube on mobile than on desktop, and more creators shoot and manage their whole channel on mobile. More than 70% of YouTube watch time comes from mobile devices. YouTube Studio app is still missing a lot of features compared to the desktop. For example, editing, metadata, sort functions, real-time analytics, and dark mode were only added in October 2020. With a global community of 2 billion people on YouTube, we are always looking for ways to make it easier to watch and interact with your favorite videos. YouTube official blog. So we can definitely expect even more features to be added next year. I saw the introduction of many new metrics in the analytic part of YouTube Studio in 2021. The time when your viewers are on YouTube, other videos your audience watched, key moments for audience retention. Most features are now in the new YouTube Studio. And you can notice that YouTube puts more effort into developing brand new features. I'm very excited to see what is going to be added next year. Thank you guys, I hope this video was helpful and useful to you. If you have any further questions about YouTube and YouTube rules, leave them in the comment section below.